All right. So I know that I haven't made a video in a hot minute because I have been extremely busy. I've been home at like 10:30 every single night, and I've been up at like 7 and starting work in the whole night. So it's been pretty wild. But we're here nonetheless. I just want to actually show you guys a trade that I took the other day. I'm actually kind of upset because I took a silly trade. I took a few silly trades as of late, but I'm pretty happy about this one. So, I was on a little streak here, and then these are stupid. This is dumb. These two also stupid. But look, we made a $213 trade, which is pretty good. $709 trade, which is again pretty good. So I made it back up. Granted, yes, we're down $90, but I caught up, which is a lot different than what I've always ever done. So we're just gonna keep rocking and rolling with it. Let me actually take a look. If I'm not mistaken, those were both on. These are all on micro crude oil. This one's on Bitcoin. But yeah, so let's look at Bitcoin because I really liked the motion that it just did. So we have this beautiful upward trend line. Even if we look in the 4-hour, beautiful move. And then we had a break. I should have gotten in on this break, but I missed it. And then it broke, it retested, also missed the retest, and then it broke again. Or it went down. And it's continuing, and it started like a new downward trend for the most part, from like what we're seeing here. It could start pulling back, and this might have been just like a bigger pullback. Let's see if there's any key levels here. So if I zoom way out and I just like hover here, you can kind of see like over here is one, and then again, if we hold it right here, we can kind of see right here it like broke and retested again. Let's see. It like broke, faked out, and then came back down, tested, and then broke again. Like, so this could be possibly a key level. But you can see here that even this key level is being respected a lot. So I'm curious if it's going to just start following a downward trend here. I wouldn't take it until it's here. Like, just considering passing. Just because this was a pretty long move. Maybe it's pulling back a little bit more. I don't know. Anywho, now micro crude oil. In the 4-hour, same exact sort of concept, right? We had a secondary touch point, so that was this morning. But we had this pretty extended move up, I would say. I am assuming that we have 1, 2 touch points here on the 4-hour. If we go into the 1-hour, lot more. So we have 1, 2, 3, and now it just touched again. 4, give or take. Let back up. Yeah. We're possibly making our 4th, unless it's just gonna break. I wouldn't take the break though until this would be my line right here. Why? Touch point, touch point, almost kind of sort of touch point, touch point, and now it's touching again, and it doesn't know if this line is gonna hold it up or if it's gonna break. So just to be safe, I wouldn't take my trade until selling. My stop loss would be right here. This downward trend line, even then I would be like, but if it starts to break to the south, that's kind of where I'm taking it. So I'll place that there. So we shall see. We shall see. I could possibly take a short right here in hopes or in anticipation that it's going to come down. Maybe I'll just do that for ha-has because I have a feeling because there's just a way that this candle broke, the touch, it was just too perfect. There was like a few different confluences there that's now trending in a downward trend. Oh, and that we'll do a $50 stop loss. So we'll do what is that, a 1 to 2 ratio or whatever you call it? 2 to 1. Maybe what? I was like, why is it so cheap now? 2 units before, so I'll do 2 units. Why the heck not? So we'll do $50 here. And then I'm gonna put it right above this one. $100. Beautiful. Look at that. So send. Oh, we're in profit. $12. Oh, that's cool. So I'm just gonna move this up. I'm just gonna give it a little bit more wiggle room. We'll go to $45. Why the heck not? We'll see how this goes. It'll be in trend, essentially. I mean, it broke up, but I feel like it's gonna touch then go down. Just watching and like understanding what micro Bitcoin's doing. Maybe I'm completely wrong. Who knows? But that's what I'm going to be leaving it at. If y'all have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. But that'll be all for this video. Just kind of going over my trades. I'm not very convicted right now because this is a 2 touch point. So I don't know if it's going to come back up, try to extend a little further, or if it's going to start crashing again because it broke. These were when this happened. Beautiful. So we shall see. We shall see. Wow. That's kind of where we're at right now. Maybe it'll consolidate for a little bit. It probably looks like it's going to consolidate for a little bit, but we shall see. All right. I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great rest of your day. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, I'll talk to you guys soon. We're going to make this work. Bye.